Let me introduce you to one of my favorite products from the Cadence Taylor line. Actually, all of my products are my favorite, but this is the one I use the most, I would say. Damage repair oil is extremely good for damaged hair, but it doesn't stop at that because I don't have damaged hair. I like it because of its moisture properties. I refresh my curls every morning with just not even a dime size of damage repair oil. The reason being is because it's an SPF, so therefore it protects my hair from the sun and your hair as well and your scalp. So I love using it because it makes my hair so soft. It gives my hair a shine that I need, and it just makes my hair easy to move around. It just eliminates frizz. I love it. I had an extremely frizzy piece over here because I was just sleeping crazy. But I took some, applied it, and it's gone. So it eliminates frizz. But let me tell you some of the ingredients. Organic Moroccan argan oil, sweet almond oil, organic sunflower oil, avocado oil, rice bran oil, and vitamin E. So it's just a couple of ingredients, but they're all natural oils. It's free of any essential oils at all. This is really good if you have a younger child and you want to use oils on their hair. It's best for them. I have another product in my line called Raindrops, and it has a lot of essential oils. I did make it with a safe amount for babies and children, but I always still push anyone that's young or has young babies that they want to use a moisturizing oil on to damage repair. It doesn't have any scent or anything like that. So if you have allergies, it's good for you to use as well. So let me get into how or why it's perfect, basically. Damage repair oil is perfect for repairing damage, curl scrunching, blow drying, heat protectant, hot oil treatment, flyaways, split ends, dry hair, and itchy scalp. It pairs well with any conditioner that we have for more moisture, and it's really good to use with the styler. You can use it with our Curls Just Want to Have Fun gel, or you can use it with our Whip Appeal curl cream as far as like for twists and stuff like that as a sealant. It's not extremely heavy. It's great with penetrating. It does not sit on top of your hair. It will give you true moisture. But it does seal. It does seal your hair with your twists and stuff like that. I love, love, love my damage repair oil. So if you're looking for something regarding moisture, whether you wear braids, weaves, wigs, you can put this on your scalp as well while you have your braids and before you get your weave and your wigs applied, okay? So this is a great, great oil. Pick it up any chance that you get, and you will be satisfied with the